Story of Flying, Chapter 2. Asya and Mert are sitting on the bench. They are sad. Their teacher is coming.
Why aren't you at the booths?
The pilot sends me away. He says planes are for boys.
I don't understand. I want to help people. They say nursing is a girl's job.
Don't be sad. That's not true. Some people say, you can't do it. Don't listen to them. Asya, I know you love planes and drones. Mert, you like helping people. It makes you happy. Please, don't give up easily. Do what you love. Be happy. Don't worry about the people. I believe in you. Show me you don't give up. Remember, I'm always here for you.
We want to try, teacher. Thank you.
Okay, teacher. Maybe you are right.
After school, students are going to their homes.
Asya is talking with her father.
Hi, Asya. How is school?
Hi, Dad. It is okay.
I think there is something wrong.
At Asya's house.
Asya, are you okay?
No, Dad. It is a bad day.
Come to the kitchen. Let's talk about it.
Okay, Dad.
Tell me, Asya, why are you unhappy?
It's about the pilot at school today.
I want to see the planes, but he says move away.
That is rude. Does he say anything else?
He says it is a boy's job. Girls can't be pilots.
That's not true. Listen to me. I want to tell you a story. There is a girl. She loves planes, just like you.
Really? Does she fly a plane?
Yes, she works very hard. She becomes the world's first female pilot.
Everyone says you can't do it, but she doesn't listen.
Wow! Who is she, Dad?
Sabiha Gökçen. She is a hero for all of us.
I can do it too!
Exactly. Never give up, sweetheart. You can be anything you want.
Now, are you hungry? Pilots need energy. Let's make dinner together.
Okay.
Meanwhile, at Mert's house.
Hello? Mom?
Welcome. Hi, dear. How are you?
Hi, Mom. I am fine. Can I ask you a question?
Of course. Come, sit.
Can only women be nurses, Mom?
No, men can be nurses too. Why do you ask?
I want to help at the nursing booth, but my friends say it is a girl's job.
Helping people is for everyone. I know, you want to be a nurse.
Look, Mert, I wanted to be a police officer, but I listened to people. I was wrong. Show them you can do it, Mert. Follow your dreams.
Yes, Mom. I want to do it. For myself, for you.
But first, can you bake us your delicious cookies?
Of course.
The next day, Asya and Mert are coming to school. It is the second day of Jobs Day.
Good morning, Asya.
Good morning, Mert.
They are excited for the day.
Let's go!
Let's go!
In the school garden, there are tailor and painter booths. And there are cook and pilot booths. There are police and nurse booths. Asya's friends are looking at the painter booth. Mert's friends are playing at the police booth. At the pilot booth.
Can I fly this drone?
Of course you can.
Suddenly.
But be careful.
Oh no!
Wait! Be careful! That is dangerous!
Yes! It's dangerous!
Meanwhile, at the police booth.
My leg, it hurts.
We need help!
Where's the first aid kit?
To be continued.